Hey there, my friend, welcome. My name is Dr. Anthony Balduzzi. I'm the founder here at the Fit Father Project. In today's video, we're gonna talk all about Tabata training, what it is, how to do it. And Tabatas are the most time-efficient, fat-burning cardio training on the planet, period. And in this video, we're gonna get into exactly what the science says about Tabata training, how it actually works, what you can do, some of the best exercises, and you're gonna see me demo a couple Tabatas so you can actually implement this stuff into your routine this week to see better results with your cardio and your fat burning in less time. That's the promise of Tabata training. So get out your pen and paper and let's dive on in. FitFatherProject.com. All right, so Tabata training, it's a pretty cool name, and it actually comes from a Japanese researcher from Tokyo named Dr. Izumi Tabata, who essentially went out to test to see what is the most time-efficient cardio possible in terms of how could he really do a 4-minute workout and have his participants do a 4-minute workout, and what kind of gains would they have with their cardiovascular fitness and their fat burning compared to regular, conventional cardio where you might be on a cardio machine for 20, 30, 40 minutes going at a steady pace. And what Tabata did is essentially took high intensity interval training, which if you're not familiar, we have another video linked right here that you can watch that. But essentially high intensity interval training is a type of cardio where we alternate between intervals of really high intensity burst exercise and with periods of lower intensity. So we're bursting for a couple seconds and then we're recovering, and then we're bursting and then we're recovering. That's high intensity interval training. Tabata is, for lack of a better term, high intensity interval training on steroids. It is a condensed high intensity interval training that only takes 4 minutes. And I'm gonna show you exactly how that works. But yeah, first off, it's a super condensed high intensity interval training. And second off, what Tabata actually found is with a 4-minute workout over a 6 to 8 week study period, they found a 28% increase in their participants' anaerobic capacity, a 15% increase in their VO2 max, and improved fat burning. All just exercising 4 minutes a day. So profoundly effective, but do not be fooled by the fact that these short workouts seem easy, because they're not. The point of Tabata training is it is a brutally effective 4-minute workout. And the way it works is that you're gonna alternate between 20 seconds of all out maximum effort exercise with 10 seconds of recovery. So 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off, that equals a 30-second interval. You're doing 8 of those for a 4-minute workout. So what we'll do is we'll take essentially any kind of really easy exercise that you can do with quick transitions, and typically a lot of good body weight stuff is great for Tabatas. Things like burpees are amazing to do Tabatas. You can also do jump squats, which are great because you're very explosive and you're jumping up and you're landing. You can do kettlebell swings, are also amazing for doing Tabatas, as well as just front-loaded dumbbell squats. And how you'll do a Tabata workout is you'll pick one of these exercises, any one that you prefer, and you'll do it for 20 seconds on, and then you'll take a 10-second rest. And then 20 seconds on, 10 seconds rest. You'll repeat that 8 times until you've done a 4-minute workout. And this is brutal. Even though it gets, it's a very short workout and it's incredibly time efficient, the payoff, or I guess the flip side of that coin, is that you need to be going at maximum intensity. You will not get these kind of results from Tabata training if you're half-assing it. These 20-second bursts need to be all out maximum effort. So picking these kind of exercises here, like the burpees, the jump squats, the kettlebell swings, these are very challenging exercises, and I need you to be going at the highest intensity possible. So that is in general how you do Tabata training. And there are a lot of modified Tabata workouts that you might now see online where people do more than just the traditional 4 minutes. They might switch up the exercises after a full 4-minute cycle and extend the Tabata training workouts into 8 and 16 minutes. All that is modified Tabata. I'm talking about the pure Tabata though, that the research was done on. It's 4-minute workouts and it's deadly effective. So if you're a person out there who feels like you're just totally strapped for time, and yet you still want to lose weight, you want to improve your metabolism, you want to burn some fat, Tabatas could be the answer for you. And it could be a great thing that you do in the morning. Set that 4-minute timer, do it before breakfast, get your metabolism fired up, and know that you're going to be burning more calories throughout the rest of the day, because this is the most high intensity, research proven fat loss cardio that we know of to date. So I hope you found this video valuable. My challenge for you is this: try your first Tabata today, or tomorrow at the very least. There are a lot of great Tabata timers online. I'll link some links to some of our favorite Tabata timers here at the Fit Follower Project on our blog. You can check those out, and definitely really try the Tabata and let us know in the comments below how it goes for you, which exercise you chose, whether it was a jump squat, front-loaded squat, a kettlebell swing, and let us know how you did and how challenging it was for you. And I need you to know that Tabatas are just one type of cardio workout that you can do. If your goal is to build some muscle, burn some fat, and generally live healthier, then we recommend another kind of exercise as well, which is called metabolic resistance training, which is a combination of high intensity intervals like Tabatas with some of the best strength training workouts, except it's a little longer workout, 24 minutes, and it does not require the level 10 out of 10 intensity that Tabatas do. So it's a good mix between getting the intensity but still being a little more enjoyable than Tabatas. So if you're interested in that, we have a free 24-minute fat burning workout that we will send straight to your email. Just let us know where you'd like that, and we'll send you that workout. And I'll be on workout video showing you the 24-minute workout. All you need is a pair of dumbbells and around 10 feet of floor space at home. It's incredibly effective. It's what we use here at the Fit Follower Project in conjunction with things like Tabata Training to have helped over 10,000 followers lose over 75,000 pounds of fat. So this stuff really works. And if you like this, you'd like more of that, we can send you that free 24-minute workout straight to your email. There are links to get that below in the description and on our blog with the article associated with this video. So I hope you found this valuable. If you like this and you learn more about Tabata training and you're excited to try this or try our metabolic resistance training workouts, give us a thumbs up on YouTube. Let us know that this was valuable. Our team loves your feedback. And definitely hit subscribe and join our Fit Follower Project YouTube channel. We publish new videos like this every single week on the best fat loss workouts, the best muscle building workouts, nutrition, motivation, supplements, everything you need to know to stay strong and healthy for your family. We are the Fit Follower Project. This is what we do. Thanks for stopping by, my friend. I'll see you around the channel. I'll see you in that free 24-minute fat burning workout, and I'll talk to you very soon.